Hey guys, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to looking into how to access data in a database using PLSQL. Okay, so here there will be different types will be there. So first basic type I am going to show you that selecting at most one row. Okay, so one row how I am selecting and one value from a column. Okay, that how I am selecting. I am going to show you. See it's here different types I am going to show. So select into statement. Okay, so using into statement we are going to get the value into a variable in single row. Okay, then selecting multiple rows using cursors we can able to select. There are two different types of cursor, implicit, explicit, that future videos I will be making. So inserting and updating. So using that, what are the defined variables will be there, right? Using that, how to insert into table and that different. So now first of all, into statement I'm going to show that. So we'll go to SQL workspace. Here I'm having one table that HR.employees. Okay, this table is common table. Everybody can able to access this. Okay, you can't able to perform any DML, but you can able to perform like a select operation like PLSQL code practice. Okay, this I have written. I have already written because that it will be time consuming. Okay, so while writing code and that it will take more time for the video. Okay, so that's why. So as I explained you in previous videos, if you're not watching, please refer that in intro. So how the block will be up. Okay. So first of all, declare section will be there. Okay, what the declare section is PLSQL anonymous block. Then after begin and end section will be there. Okay, exception block also you can able to use. I have not written here. Then first of all, declare section will be there. So exception under not mandatory, but begin end declaration section is mandatory in anonymous block. Okay. So that here. So what here my task is that salary I have to print for first employee in the table. So employee ID I have to show and salary I have to show. This I have defined here already. Then after I'm selecting employee ID salary from HR employees where row num equal to 1. So first row I'm going to select. Then into. So this is what the statement how we have to store into this table. Okay. So our concept is what? To store the whatever the value received from the table into one temporary variable, right? So that variable in future perspective, some other block in able to in ante that whatever the block you are writing in begin and end, you can entirely use that value from that variable. Okay. See employee ID and salary is there, no? Okay. So into using into statement into what? Employee salary. These two I have stored. Then after what I am doing, I am going to print. DBMS output is a package that put line. It is the debugging statement syntax. Okay. So inside this using OR operators means a concatenation operator here. Okay. So in Java it is an OR operator. Here concatenation operator will call this. Using concatenation or combination purpose we will use this. Okay. So like this I have shown here. Okay. We will start executing this. So here first value means row number 1 I am going to select. No. This first we'll see the table. So this is what the table 100, 101, something you will get. Then we'll execute the PLSQL block. See a statement process for employee ID 100. Okay, first row what 100, right? Salary will be 24,000. No. So we'll go to table and we'll check that. So first 100 and his salary will be 24,000, right? So or else we can able to I'm going to show this where condition I'm going to change that where employee ID equal to what I'm going to give 102 will give. Okay. So then we'll execute this and check. Yes, yes, see 102 17,000 is the salary row. So we'll see this. We'll have to select and we have to execute. See 102 17,000 is the salary. Like this, you can able to store into variable. You can use this whatever the stored into variables, whatever the defined variables is there, right? But you can initialize like this. You can able to utilize in the entire process. Down I can able to write whatever required and wherever I can store into some other tables also. So that future videos operations I will show you. But today like this, you can able to access the data from the PLSQL from SQL to PLSQL, and you can able to utilize the data. You can access like this. Yeah. But today this is what the video, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you're liking and video and you got some knowledge from this video, please subscribe and please share and please refer to your friends to watch the video. Thank you. Bye.